Hey, it's Mark Ferguson with Invest for More. And I'm staying outside a house flip that we've had for a few months and had a lot of crazy stories with. But we're making progress, it's all cleaned out, and now we can get a chance to see what it looks like without all the stuff in it the last tenants left here. And yes, we're on a very busy road, but it's also right across the street from a local college, University of Northern Colorado. So it's got a few things going for it. Now we love the likes, love the shares, love the comments, keep those coming. And investformore.com has tons of free articles, books, all kinds of great stuff on there. All right, so I bought this one and it had tenants in it. They never paid rent. I was intending to flip it, but they moved out, but they didn't move out, left all kinds of stuff, so they had to come back. It was just a crazy story, and we'll link to that before. But they finally did move, didn't come back anymore, and all their stuff is gone. And we were able to remove that laminate flooring too that they had installed, so you can see what it looks like now. It had horrible flooring in here before, but you can see it all used to be hardwood. And some of it's been painted, some of it's been left bare. And I mean, I love to save hardwood, but you can see, I don't know. We'll have our hardwood guy look at it, but I don't know if this is salvageable. Its highest and best use is probably as a college rental. And in that case, you know, it's not super important it has nice hardwood floors. You could paint them, I guess, again, but I don't know. We'll have to see what he says. But you can see all the stuff is gone. So we paid $297,000 for this from a wholesaler, and we actually had it under contract to sell here too. So one of the agents in my office, Brandon, had some buyers who were looking for a college rental for their kids, and he kept asking if I knew of anything, and so we told them about this property. They came to see it. It was when all this stuff was in here before, and they were interested, made an offer. We had it under contract for just over $350,000, but they found a lot of inspection items, and we kind of told them it's being sold as is, and we weren't going to do a lot of stuff to it, and they're getting a good deal, but they were just asking for too many things. We couldn't come to an agreement, and they canceled. And that's one reason why we often don't sell our properties before we fix them up, because you run into issues like that. Even though you say you're selling as is, and there'll be no repairs made, things like that, people still ask for repairs. So it usually makes sense for us to just repair them anyway. The stairs are cool too, but again, I just don't know. These might be able to be saved. It's hard to say. So we had it come, one of our other newer contractors come clean it out, demo it, and he didn't go crazy like our other situation, so that was good. And you can see it looks a lot different now with all the stuff in it. So fixed up, this is probably worth anywhere from $400 to $425, and it can vary because if you sell it vacant, right, it might sell for a little less, unless you have it. Hold on, weird noises going on down there. Might sell for a little less than if you have it rented for a good amount, but if you have it rented for a low amount, it might sell for less than if it was vacant. So if you are going to sell it when it's rented, you want to make sure you've got the leases and really solid leases at market rents. Otherwise, it's really going to hurt you in the long run. So we've got a decision to make if we try and sell it vacant to someone who wants to buy it for like their kids, you know, and maybe rent out part of it to other kids like the previous buyers were going to do, or if we want to try and rent all of it and then sell it to an investor who just wants a decent return on their money. So those are the two options we have right now, and we'll try and figure that out too. And then also what to do as far as repairs. Flooring, some paint, really doesn't need anything too crazy, but that's something we'll think about now. It might need a roof. That's something we've got to get checked out. I thought the roof was newer, but their last inspector said it needed some work. So it's got some nails going through it, and I can kind of see those here too, so I don't know what's going on with that. That's kind of weird, but we'll have it checked out and make some of those repairs. But again, if we're going to do all those repairs, then we might as well fix up everything and sell it all the way done. All right, thanks for watching. Love the shares. Love the shares, love the comments, love the likes. Like I said, investformore.com has a ton more information, and my new book on all my crazy real estate stories, which we'll be able to add to here soon, is on Amazon. Might have to come up with a second volume. Lots of weird and interesting things are always happening to us in the real estate world. All right, we'll be back soon.